Hey everyone, this is Alan here again. I know it's been a long minute, but here is a pretty up-to-date video on the progress on my Panda VR-4's performance rebuild. As you can see, it's pretty much all back together as far as the long block is concerned. A lot of cool things, little forced upgrades here and there, a lot of OE replacements, just to keep it fresh. You can see the fresh heads are on with 3mm lash adjusters, which I've left in a relaxed position. I had to force upgrade to some Brian Crower cams, brand new. These are regrinds, but I feel that they will do the job. New OE components all around, as you can see. I also decided to get an IPS racing baffle oil can. Additionally, under hood, I've done some reduction, or a lot of reduction actually. You can see my engine harness, sort of. A lot of reduction, a lot of stuff uninstalled that I do not use. AC, cruise control, stock fan control, fog lights, active aero, ABS, that's all gone. I'm planning to keep the fuse box in this location. So, we got a few pounds and a chunk of wires, keep it simple. Still have to plan my fuel line setup. I do plan on getting the Zaytronics ECA, as you've probably seen on Mark's car, which I've had the opportunity to install. So that'll go good. Still have work to do here. Almost done here, but it's getting along. And my new turbos will be the Phantom turbos, which come, as you can see here, protected with an HL turbine. And on the compressor side, you can see on the compressor side, they have the Super 60 trims from Garrett. Mark did very well with these, and I'm planning to continue pursuing that path to see what exactly they can push and support, hopefully reliably. So that's it for now.